Okay, guys, thanks very much. Kirill Stavro here, today from Berlin. And now I'm going to tell you some things about buying real estate in Germany. Now, here's the thing, guys. When you have an agreement with the seller that covers the essentials of the transaction, such as purchase price and warranties, it's definitely time to put it in a formal agreement as is required under German law. So, in this presentation, you're going to learn what steps are required, what you have to do in order to close the deal, and with the help and assistance of a notary and a German attorney. All right, now after you have identified the home you wish to acquire, or the flat, or whatever it is, you simply need to do the following things. First, you gotta pick a lawyer or law firm who is familiar with international tax law and all the double taxation issues, and he's got to advise you on a transaction structure and a deal structure which saves on taxes, because you obviously don't want to pay more taxes than necessary, and it depends to a very large extent on the deal structure. And so make sure that your lawyer is familiar with these issues. Then you've got to hire a notary, or let your lawyer hire a notary and find a notary, and the notary has to provide you with the draft of the contract. Because in Germany, each notary has his preferred template that he likes to use, and it's really important for you and for your lawyer to know beforehand what kind of clauses the notary is going to put in the contract. Now, once you've got the draft from the notary, you gotta ask your lawyer to have a look at the document and suggest some amendments in your favor. And basically, what the lawyer will do is he will pay a lot of attention to the payment terms, to the warranties, and to what extent you're protected against not becoming owner of the property. So that's generally what the lawyer will do, and he'll make sure that all the things in your favor will be included in the contract. Now, you've got to have your lawyer explain to you the agreement in detail so that you understand completely what's going on and what the consequences might be when you sign the paper. Never sign the paper if you don't understand what the consequences will be. It's just definitely don't do that. Let your lawyer explain all the details so that you know exactly what's going on. Now, just in case you cannot stay until the signing of the contract because you have to leave Germany, um, and the signing of the contract has to happen before a German notary, just give your lawyer a sufficient power of attorney so that he can represent you before the notary and sign the contract on your behalf. Because when a lawyer has a power of attorney, you can leave Germany, you can go wherever you want, do your business. You don't have to stay in Germany and go to the notary. It's simply not necessary. Now, should you want to approve of the written agreement personally, just make sure that the notary speaks English. And if this isn't the case and you don't speak any German, just make sure that there is someone who can translate what the notary is saying, and the translator has to be certified. Just make sure that you have the right people in place, okay? And you gotta make sure that the notary and your legal representative have a power of attorney that allows them to act on your behalf before German authorities once you leave Germany. Because sometimes some small modifications and changes have to be made to complete the transaction, or some declarations have to be submitted to the authorities. And if your German attorney cannot sign on your behalf the documents, uh, you wanna you've got to come back to Germany to fix such issues in person, and that may cost you some money and some time, and it's not worth all the hassle. So make sure that the people that work for you have the necessary power of attorney to save you all the hassle. All right, and the other important thing is to tell the notary and the German lawyer to keep you updated and informed as far as the progress of the transaction is concerned. Because under German law, you can expect to become an owner of the property, such as an apartment or a house, whatever, once you are registered with the land registry, which is actually a German authority. So this may take some time, definitely, but nevertheless, you will be secured against another sale by the same seller as long as you are not registered. So simply make sure that you are informed constantly and you know what's going on, and you know when the transaction is finished and you're registered and you're the new owner of the building. Now, if you want to discover more about how to find and how to buy real estate in Berlin, and if you want to get my special report on how to buy real estate in Germany for free, then simply visit my website stavrev-attorney.info, and or you can click on the link below this video. There is a link, and if you click, you go automatically to my website, and there you will see a very short video that explains exactly what is going what you have in the report and how you can get the report. And all I can tell you right now is simply enjoy your free report. Go to my website stavrev-attorney.info. There you will learn how to get your free report. Okay, thanks very much. Bye bye.